Alright, and last but not least, the part I'm probably most excited about installing is the ProRyde, the front leveling kit. So it's pretty much your strut goes into the bottom of this housing. You can raise it to anywhere between 2 and 2.25 inches to 3, and then this part screws into your existing housing that's already in the truck. So pretty excited about this one, man. Let's see how this goes. So you got all your ProRyde stuff, ProRyde height adjustment, blah blah blah. Alright. Get up in there. You got the actual system, which is pretty cool. This is the actual part that's gonna go up and down right here. So it's gonna be cool. You're gonna put this on your strap, boom, like this. Stick this up in the housing, and then stick it back through there. Then you got these big locking nuts, these C clamps on there. So it's gonna be pretty exciting, man. I'm ready to get the front leveled out so that it doesn't look so droopy in the front.
That's mama boy.
Alright, what up, y'all? We getting this ProRyde adjustable front lift kit, leveling kit put in. Here you go, Axel. This is the crew. This is my cousin Jose over here putting in the work. So far we got the upper bolts out of there, out of the strut. We just need to get that out of there. And then on the bottom down here, you can't really see it that good, but there goes one of them. We got that one out already, right there. You gotta get the other side out, and we'll be ready to get the strut out.